Hello everyone, welcome back again. In today's tutorial I am going to show you how to create business infographic timeline with 5 steps. So let's see how to do this in PowerPoint. First go to Insert tab, Shapes and insert rounded rectangle shape. Drag the yellow marker towards inside and make the rectangle as circle. Remove outline. Duplicate the shape and place that in its original position. Increase the size of one of the shape. Send to back. Give light fill color. Duplicate the blue shape again and align that to its original position. Change its fill color to white, add outer shadow. Decrease its size. Add outer shadow to the blue shape also. Insert the rectangle shape. Rotate it. Increase its size. Select blue circle, rectangle, and merge using merge shapes, union. Select all the shapes, group. Duplicate the shapes using Ctrl and D. Flip horizontal. Move that to the top and send to back. Ungroup, bring the white circle to front. Change the color. Duplicate both the shapes to make third and fourth segment. Send to back. Ungroup, bring the white circle to front. Change the color for the third and fourth segment. Select only the gray and white shape and make fifth segment. Duplicate the white circle and align to its original position. Increase its size to the same height as gray shape. Select both the big circle and gray shape and send to back. Add color to the big circle. Our layout is ready. Let's add text and icons. Group all the elements and add outer shadow, offset center. Finally add the rectangle. Add white fill. Remove outline. Add outer shadow, offset right. Send to back. Duplicate the rectangle, and align that to the slide right and change the shadow to offset left. Send to back. So here it's our final slideshow. Hope you liked it. Please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Also don't forget to click notification bell icon. Thanks a lot for watching this video. See you in my next video.